Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Martin Waver coming back with another video. Well, this video, guess what I got in the mail today? Royalty Headwear. Well, this is supposed to be a really good do-rag. Well, I know last video, 2 videos before that, I posted a video of me unboxing do-rags from So Many Waves. Well, this time it's from another company. It's a new company located in Georgia. Really excited about this product, this do-rag, because it's really supposed to compress your crown. And it only has 1 string around Velcro, like almost like the Surag. Remember a few years ago, wavers used to be, some wavers are crazy about the Surag, but like a little bit of the Surag plus the regular do-rag. So let's try it out. Let's unbox this thing. All right. Ooh. Look at what we got here. All in a bag and everything. Ooh. Wow. Now I'm going to try it on. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Having a hard time putting this on, but I think I'm supposed to put it right here. Yeah. And then I'm supposed to bring it around this way. Okay. Hold this part. Supposed to fold it. And I think I have it. And bring it down. Like this. I'm having such a hard time putting this on. But let me get back to you. Try to get this right. Okay. Let's see this time. Okay. I need to adjust it a little bit tighter. And I gotta put it up. I think I got it right. Ooh, it's really feel a compression. It's like you're wearing 2 do-rags, and this is like 2 do-rags in 1. This is amazing. See, tie the back. You got it. It feels like 2 do-rags in 1. Or do-rag and a stocking cap in 1. So I'm gonna sleep with it on way by tonight. Pretty dope product, and they even gave me a business card. So stay tuned for the next video. God bless.